About a week into my 22-night Alaskan cruise on the Ruby Princess, it was officially laundry time. The ship does offer a full laundry service at an extra fee, but on longer cruises like this one, especially with a high number of elite guests, laundry sent out can take up to 3 days to be returned. That wasn't going to work for me, so I decided to use the self-service laundry instead. If you wanted to use the ship's laundry service, you'll find paper laundry bags and an inventory form in your cabin closet. Elite status guests have laundry included, which can slow things down for everyone else. With limited clothing options mid-cruise, self-service laundry was the faster option for me. The laundry room on my deck was completely full, but one of the cabin attendants suggested I try the next deck up. That advice turned out to be one of the best tips I got the entire trip. The laundry room one floor up was much larger and had plenty of available machines. Each onboard laundromat includes washers, dryers, ironing boards, irons, and a utility sink. You can also purchase detergent, bleach, and dryer sheets directly in the laundry room if you didn't bring your own. The machines use tokens, which you can purchase right there in the laundry room. You select how many tokens you need, tap your Princess Medallion, and the tokens are dispensed automatically. I brought a pop-up hamper, which made transporting laundry much easier. I also packed a couple loads worth of laundry supplies, including color catchers, so I could safely wash a mixed load. Once everything is loaded, choose your settings, insert your token, push it in, and start the machine. The washer displays an estimated time for the cycle. Instead of waiting around, I set a timer on my phone and headed to the buffet for dinner. I grabbed a large salad, a pizza tartlet, and a little pasta, and then I took my meal outside to the pool deck. That night's outdoor movie was A Man Named Otto. I'd never seen it before, but Tom Hanks is always a win. When the washer was finished, I moved my clothes into the dryer. Don't forget to check the lint trap before starting. Add your dryer sheet, select your cycle, insert the token, and press start. While the dryer didn't display a countdown timer, I just circled back about an hour later and everything was ready. Self-serve laundry on the Ruby Princess is easy, convenient, and a huge help on longer cruises. If you're sailing for 2 weeks or more, or just like to pack light, this is a great option to know about.